Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I'm going to give you a tour of my apartment. Yay! If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee. I was a traveling respiratory therapist, but now I have accepted a full-time position at the hospital where I traveled. They came up with a deal and gave me enhanced pay, so I have an apartment in the town where I work, and I also have a home, back at home. So in today's video, I'm just giving you an updated tour. I have given a tour of my apartment. When I first moved in, I thought it would be great to go ahead and get an updated tour. And just about all of the furniture in my apartment came from Wayfair. The only thing that did not come from Wayfair is my bed, and that came from Amazon, and I have that link. So this sofa is so comfortable. My husband and I changed out the legs. We put those acrylic legs on there. That's in my Amazon storefront if you're interested. Like I said, all the furniture comes from Wayfair, even those end tables. I'm not sure where I picked up these pictures. I think I got them from Ross or either TJ Maxx. And yeah, who remembers the that retro telephone back in the day? So yeah, this is my apartment. It is a dated apartment. I'm thankful for it because the situation I was in with the paying all the money for the hotels, they just got one ready for me at a short notice, so they were not able to update the kitchen, which was fine. I told them just as long as it's clean. So yeah, so this is my little sitting area here. That table, like I said, came from Wayfair. It's a bar height table, but the bar stools, those are not bar stools, they are counter height. So as you can see, they're lower than the table. I'm going to go ahead and sell those, but I wouldn't recommend these from Wayfair, at least from my experience. They're pretty comfortable, but they're coming apart, and I've had these about a year. My husband right here, you probably can't really see on the video, but that part is coming loose on both chairs. I'm gonna go ahead and get some adhesive glue and put them back together and just go ahead and sell them. So as you can see, I got this little stand also from Wayfair, and I picked me up a retro microwave. I'm showing you there. I'm getting ready to leave, so I had to put my garbage at the door so I don't forget it. So yeah, I picked up that retro microwave from Walmart to go with the retro kitchen area. Yeah, those, I'm gonna go back and do a review on those stools because those stools were like $230 each, and they're already coming apart. So yeah, so this is my retro kitchen. I went ahead and tried to dress it up a little bit by adding this marble contact paper to the countertops. So the top cabinets are pretty good. It's the bottom cabinets that need to be replaced, but I'm not concerned about that right now. I seldom use the bottom cabinets, but this is the kitchen. You know it's retro when you have a yellow sink. Yeah. So that's my husband's coffee pot, and I'm swing on around to the right, and this is just the other side of the kitchen. So yeah, I am thankful that they were able to get one ready, or an apartment ready for me, because I work in a college town and everything was so expensive. So this is my first bedroom that I turned into a seating area on the left right here. If you've been watching my channel, you've probably seen this seating area. And yeah, so all of these items came from Wayfair as well. I love this rug. I'm still reading Michelle Obama's book, The Light We Carry. I've been reading it for about the last 6 to 8 months. As you can see, I don't read every day. And this is my little wall that I created. I picked up these acrylic shelves from Amazon. Check my Amazon storefront. I got this idea from At Home with T. She did this in her little girl's room, and I was like, oh, that's a good idea. Not too crowded. I really didn't want a bookshelf because I don't read that much. So I just thought this was cute. So we're going to pan on around, and this is my little office area. And I end up getting that office chair for free from Wayfair. I had ordered so many items. I had got so many credits. So I got me a free office chair. So yeah, this is my office / reading area. And this is my wall of cards that my beautiful supporters here on YouTube send me. I think Miss Kathy has a wall also. And this is my bedroom. I went with the black and gray theme. So yeah, so I'm gonna let you finish touring my apartment, and I'll turn the music on. I want to go ahead and thank you guys for tuning in. And this is Miss V. I'm gonna always show you a way to save. Thank you and have a nice day.